Put new decals on it. Just come up here to Tom's place, got it running in the boat. Boat's had 1,376 original hours on it. Nice old boat, 1967, 26-foot Lyman, Cruisette hardtop.
We just about
You guys are fucked up.
how fast we going?
It's 4,800 RPM.
How fast?
I don't know speed.
Dude, it's over 32.
It's 4,800.
That's good.
What's the prop on this thing? A 1412?
Yep. What was your track? We were doing 34. Nobody checked the speedometer.
I mean, that kind of RPM.
That thing shifts in fucking different gear.
Oh,
Yeah, it does when it drops.
I think it's got a 2-speed transmission in it. Was this thing got a...
Did you hear that thing jump?
Yes!
It's like down. Mine don't jump like that. Stand back.
I'm telling you, I've never seen anything run like this. Do it again.
Well, somebody get the phone, see how fast we're going.
Yeah.
Chris, what was the max RPM?
It was 4,800.
40. What do you have on
He
us?
was at 5.
What do you have? 5 grand?
Come on, Andrew. Do something.
I don't have a phone with me, man.
Fucker, all you gotta do is look at it.
I thought you had a check. I don't have a tachometer.
He's got it right here.
Jesus.
Well, we'll see how fast Matt goes.
I'd never seen anything with 4-barrel kicking at $4 grand.
What's it supposed to be?
32. Right. 4,900.
33 miles an hour.
4,900. I owe you money. I bet wrong on this one.
You probably just need to run it a little more like
You
that.
sure that prop is what it says it is? You sure this isn't a freaking 13x5 or something on here? And you're going 33 mile an hour?
33. What we hit on.
This thing, it's still under propped.
I'm not saying this thing go faster.
Is this boat lighter? Is there termites in this thing? I mean,
I told you it's an anomaly.
No, it's not. You know what actually happened? I think.
The goddamn after the cover saw on the back.
yes.
I think we blew it off.
That gave the extra 1,000 RPM. That's over.
It's 4,900 all day.
I'm going slightly over 5 grand.
So it tax 200 off. Big deal.
200.
All right.
Chris, that's stupid. Did you tape it?
Yes.
You got it on video?
It's live. We're Facebook live.
Take on your Facebook tomorrow.
It's on right now. Everybody I lost. I told him with this prop this thing would run 4,100 RPM. This thing runs 4,900 RPM. It's a rocket. It's engine we rebuilt 2 years ago. I still think there's something wrong. There's got to be a prop key sheared or something, but I'll eat crow and say we lost.